Hello everyone in cyber world. Welcome back to another video. I'm Richard.
And I'm Jennifer, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY. This week we're going to make puzzles with the xTool M1.
So I've been wanting to make a puzzle for our granddaughter, and I thought a 1,000-piece puzzle, maybe she's not quite ready for it since she's not even 3. So we're gonna have to come up with something a little bit different. We found some things on a Facebook page for xTool official owners, and people share some incredible ideas out there. And so we'll give a shout out to the people who actually provided this, and we'll give you descriptions and links of where you can find these for yourself. But basically what we're gonna do is we're going to be making a puzzle using some thin 1/4 and 1/8 inch backwards 1/8 and 1/4 inch plywood. The concept that we're going to be doing here is we're going to cut out the shapes from here from the 1/8 inch, and then the actual shape itself is going to be cut with the 1/4 inch. Why is that? Well, we want the 1/4 inch to be thicker so that when it sits inside this puzzle holder or thingamabopper, our granddaughter can take it out easily without having to stick her fingers in and jamming it out if it's level. So that's why we're going to actually be doing this one. But we're also going to show you, for those who want to make puzzles on a larger scale for maybe adults and you want to make a more difficult one, we found some pages on the internet as well that will actually allow you to produce an image of a puzzle that all you have to do is you're going to print an image or engrave an image or however you want to do to get the image on here, and then with this image that we have for cutting, it'll cut out all the pieces and you can send it to someone, they can put it together and make a full-size puzzle. So we just wanted to show you that there's multiple options on there, so let's get right into it.
We're first going to begin by cutting out shapes on a 1/8 inch piece of plywood. Next, we're going to be using our XCS software to instruct the laser to cut out the shapes.
When we loaded the puzzle image, we noticed that each number had holes and there were some handles that you can pre-print to cut out. Therefore, we are changing the plans and no longer using 2 different thicknesses of wood.
Oh, G-Tom made. Let's try to get out the numbers. Oh, no. It won't come out. I can't. Oh, that one comes out.
That one came out.
But this has come out. Can you get that one?
It's stuck. Oh no.
Oh, no. To say, oh, no, G-Tom.
Oh no.
Look. Oh, G-Tom made you another one. This one's nice.
Look at that. And 3.
Can you pull them out? Oh, there you go.
3, 2. Oh, 1, 2.
Yay! Yay! 2. Okay.
For the second puzzle, which is actually a jigsaw puzzle, we begin by adding a chemical concoction that we have used before for burning images into the wood. We hope this will make the image a little darker when we engrave it. I selected and engraved the image of my granddaughter's favorite Paw Patrol character, Sky.
We cut out the puzzle pieces in a frame. After cutting out the pieces, it was just a matter of staining and gluing to finish the puzzle. Look, can you put this together and see what this is? Yeah. What is it? Let's see if we can do that.
Let's put the puzzle. Which one is one?
Oh, it goes in there. There you
Look
go.
at that. You need help?
2 more pieces.
Put this one over here.
Let's go. Almost done. Who is that?
This
One more.
Stop.
It's okay.
Okay.
Who is that?
No, no more. That's it.
Say thank you, Ji-chan.
Thank you, Gigi.
So we truly had a blast making this puzzle for our granddaughter.
Now, I have a sneaky suspicion that I may be making some more intense puzzles just for myself, just to have fun with, because I'm having a great time with this machine.
Probably.
So we've got some more projects coming on the way. I think we have one more M1 specifically that we will be getting out next week. And after that, we will be getting back to a few more of our DIY projects. So until we meet again,
Bye-bye.